Hey guys, welcome to question FM231 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, a permutation matrix P can be used to change beard into bread. And of course, beard into bread, both being vertical matrices. And this is our matrix P that we're going to build. We're then asked to tell them, select from our options, which one of these possibilities is matrix P. Now, I think the easiest way for us to do this question is actually going to be to go through how a permutation matrix works and build our own permutation matrix and then compare that to the possible answers. Now, the way this permutation matrix is going to work is the first row will select the first row will be multiplied by each of the elements in the first vertical matrix that spells out beard. So the first 5 elements will line up with the 5 elements here, and then each of them will be multiplied by its corresponding element and then the result added together. As you can see from this equation, all we want to be left with after our first row is multiplied and added with the first column of the next matrix, what we want to be left with is B. So essentially what we're going to do is select B. And the way we do that is like this. Now, permutation matrices are made up of ones and zeros because what this will do is when these 5 elements are flipped and multiplied and added with these 5, when we have 1 times B, that will equal B, 0 times E is 0, 0 times A is 0, and 0 times R is 0, and 0 times D will be 0. That will just leave us with a B. Following this pattern, we can select each of the letters that we want. So for example, the next letter that we want to select is R. Now R is all the way down here in the 4th row of our beard matrix. So in order to select it, our second row is going to need to have a 1 in the 4th column across. That way, when we pick it up and plug it in, it selects the R. So following this, that will select this 3rd row here, we'll select the E that comes after R. Our 4th row, we need to select A. So we're going to go to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. That's going to select the A for us. And then finally, we're going to have 0, 0, 0, 0, and select D to be left with bread. Looking at our matrix P now, we can see that it looks very much like option A, which of course is our correct answer. If you guys have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.